Korean Air enters into marketing partnership with Rain, and SHK penetrates the Asian market with SHK. Korean Air achieved a huge publicity effect in China and North America through Rain's World Tour sponsorship. SHK selected Hallyu star SHK as a global model and boosted sales in Hong Kong by 20%. In Korea, it is still difficult to find successful examples of celebrities commercializing their own brands. However, in the recent cosmetic market, it has become common to hire different celebrities for each individual brand to promote a specific brand rather than a company. There are cosmetic companies that are seeing a direct increase in sales through the appointment of global stars. SHK, with SHK as its global model, increased its sales in Hong Kong in 2008 by more than 20% compared to the previous year. It is analyzed that this increase in sales is due to the fact that dramas such as Autumn in My Heart and Full House, which SHK starred in, have already gained high popularity in Hong Kong and Macau. SHK has contributed greatly to raising SHK's brand awareness in the Asian market.